Okay, I'm going to show you how you can check out ebooks from our Destiny Discover. So I've done a search in Destiny Discover on inventors, and so we have, physical books here, but we also have some ebooks. So let's look at what they have there. And you can see there's a couple of them that you can look into. So it tells you a little more details, like when it was published, what type of book it is, things like that. But before you can actually read it, you will have to log in. You can click open, but it's going to directly take you to the login screen. So when you're logging in, you need to choose San Antonio user ID. And then put the first part of your email, not the whole thing. You don't have to add the @ and everything after that. Then your normal email password. Click login. And then once it goes in, you'll see that I have a little picture. Yours might be blank, just depending on if you've updated your profile information. But it did take me out of the search. So let me go back and do my search again. And I'm going to go and check out this one, Inventors of Everyday Technology. So I can just click open or check out. So I'm going to go ahead and click check out. And you have it for 14 days, so you can see that it's not due until March 16th. And so now that it's checked out under my name, I can open it. And you can read these ebooks from any device where you have an internet connection. So you just always go back into Destiny and it will open books for you. So when you're reading, you can click to go to different pages. Okay, and you can, or you can go down here, you can kind of click and go through a couple of pages at a time. A couple of different things that you can also do is you can, if when you're ready to return it, you can, if you're done with it early, you can return that title. It also shows you the due date. You can search if you want to do a search, like if you want to search video games, you could do a search and it'll show you different instances where they find that in the text. So you could click on that and it'll take you directly to the text where that is. So it's really great for doing research. You can take notes. So like if you want to add a note about this, you can click on that. Video games might be my note. And then you can, you've got up to 2,000 something characters. So you can make a note on what you learned from that passage. So make sure you click save. I'm going to go ahead and just close that. So a couple of different things. You can change the text size. You could zoom in, zoom out, change the screen color, whatever, might help you visually. But that's how you check out an ebook and read an ebook that is available through our Fall at Destiny catalog.